feels great. It's exciting, nervous, all at the same time. I'm most excited to spend the rest of my life with Angelica, the woman I love.
Thank you all for being here and for joining Angelica and Vladimir on this special day, and have come together to bear witness to that bond and the commitment that has grown between the two of them.
Vladimir, today I make the most sincere promise one heart can make to another. Where do I even start? Let me start by saying that I knew you were the one since the first moment I saw you.
Angelica, I'm extremely lucky to have you as a partner, and I want you to know that I'll always be there for you and do my absolute best to give you the best life I possibly can with God in the center of everything.
Angelica and Vladimir, for the past 5 years, you have built a strong foundation for your relationship based on honesty and respect.
Oh my God, you look amazing. Wow.
Can we kiss?
Angelica, do you take Vladimir to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do, always.
Remember to pursue new experiences, grow together, and most importantly, to laugh often. As long as you honor the promises that you will make to each other today, you will create a life of love and happiness. Vladimir, do you take Angelica to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I absolutely do.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in joy, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
You love me for who I am. Without all my imperfections, you still make me feel perfect. I promise to love you and more every day. I promise to be faithful, to stand by you, to trust you, to respect you, to follow you, and to honor you. My heart and my love will always belong to you. I promise to make you proud as your wife. I promise to make you food when you're hungry. I promise to make our house a home. And I promise to always fight for you. With you, I feel complete, and I promise to love you for the rest of my life, my love.
I'm very grateful for the way you appreciate my intelligence, trust my judgment. You challenge me to be my absolute best self. These are just a few reasons of why I love you. And I will be with you through thick and thin, to make amazing memories together through the good times and the bad. I'm thrilled to start a new chapter of my life with you by my side. Let's continue to grow and support each other for the rest of our lives. Your love, Vlad.
Your wedding ring is a symbol of your promise to one another. The ring, an unbroken, never-ending circle, is a symbol of committed, unending love.
This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we make today.
And by the authority vested in me by the state of Washington, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we've made today.
Family and friends, I now present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Parapachiv.